If you want your toddler to love learning and explore independently, then the Montessori method is for you. Here's why. Imagine a classroom where your toddler can choose their own activities, learn at their own pace, and discover their passions. That's Montessori. In a Montessori environment, kids aren't just taught facts, they're encouraged to think, solve problems, and be creative. This helps them build confidence and independence. Instead of traditional desks, Montessori classrooms are filled with hands-on activities. From stacking blocks to pouring water, these simple tasks teach vital life skills. Plus, kids have fun while learning. Montessori also emphasizes collaboration, teaching toddlers to work together and respect each other. This builds a strong sense of community and social skills. So if you want your child to grow up curious, confident and compassionate, consider Montessori. It's more than just education, it's a way of life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting tips.